This is the second part of this poem 2.1 Song of the Open Road. In the first part, we have learned about the poet Walt Whitman. Now, in the second part, we are going to learn about this poem. What is this poem based on? What is the theme of this poem? So look in the second paragraph. Now this second paragraph, today we are going to learn. Listen carefully. The section 1 of Song of the Open Road from Leaves of Grass is a beautiful blend. The meaning of blend? It means mixture or combination. Is a beautiful blend of self-awareness, free will. Now here the meaning of will, it means desire. Self-awareness, free will and tenderness. Tenderness, it means gentleness. So this poem, Song of the Open Road, this poem is taken from the collection of many poems, and the name of those poems collection is Leaves of Grass. Leaves of Grass. This is the title of many poems collection, and this poem, Song of the Open Road, this poem is taken from this collection of poems for our learning. And in this Leaves of Grass, there a beautiful blend, a beautiful mixture, combination of self-awareness, free will, it means free desire, and tenderness, it means gentleness of our heart is presented by Walt Whitman, poet Walt Whitman. It gives us poet's realization. What is the meaning of realization? It means understand clearly. Realization that along the journey of life one will face a test of wisdom. Look at the meaning of wisdom. Wisdom, it means the quality of being wise. So what is the meaning of wise? Wise, it means having knowledge or experience. Test of wisdom which is not tested in any school or university. So in this poem or in this collection of poems, Walt Whitman gave us information about our life, the journey of our life. When the journey of our life starts, when we take birth, that time the journey of our life starts and the journey ends when we die. So in this journey from birth to till death, there are many tests we have to face in our life. So that time, the tests we are going to face in future or in present, those tests neither any school nor any university teaches us. We have to face that by our own knowledge or own experience. It means by our wisdom. A road is something everyone uses, whether rich or poor. So this road, it means from birth to till death, life journey. This road uses everyone, whether that person is a rich person or that person is a poor person. It forces all levels of people to associate. What is the meaning of associate? Look at here. Associate, it means make a conceptual connection between. So what is the meaning of conceptual? Conceptual, it means concept of mind whether rich or poor, and it forces all levels of people to associate it with another, with one another. It means in life, when we live our life, that time we need many people's help in our life to finish our journey of life. The road signifies. What is the meaning of signify? Signify, it means be a symbol of. The road signifies mobility. What is the meaning of mobility? Mobility, it means ability to move physically. So this road, it means our life. In this life, we need always to move from one place to another place. If we have achieved something in our life, don't stop there. Keep continuous your achievement in your life. This is taught by Walt Whitman in this poem to us. One can take the road as a point to start over towards something new. It means whenever anyone starts to achieve something in a life, he said any goal to achieve in his life, that time he thinks that something new, different than others, he will reach or achieve something in his life. Whitman talks about the people and places. He argues against staying in one place for long. So Whitman always wants people to move ahead in life. Don't stop at a particular place for a long time. Although the hospitality may be true. The meaning of hospitality? Hospitality, it means welcoming, behavior towards guest. Hospitality may be true. So, what Whitman says, wherever he goes, there he saw hospitality. It means people welcomed him. But even though he didn't want to stop at a particular place. So this kind of information is given here about this poem to us. So today we are going to stop here, and this second part of this poem ends here. Thank you. Have a good day to all of you.